Crunchified Clean friends, I'm totally gonna rock this filter. Hey! So today's video is mainly for cleaning business owners or any small business. Mind you, I am not a lawyer, but I love watching law shows, so you do learn a lot from watching like Judge Judy. But this is something that you can Google. It's called theft of service. And what that means is if a client refuses to pay a service provider for the service that they have provided. For example, if I go into a hair salon and I ask the stylist to cut my hair up to here, that's all I want. I just want a haircut. And they cut my hair up to here, and that's it. If I then turn around as the customer and say, I don't want to pay it because you didn't dye my hair green, but that wasn't agreed upon, that's theft of service. I can't just refuse to pay somebody for their service because I've changed my mind, or I had assumed that they were going to do something that wasn't agreed upon, or for many various reasons. You can't just do that because that person has provided that service that you have agreed upon, so now you need to pay them for it. Now, as the client and the business owner, both of you need to have a mutual understanding and open communication so that you know, as the client, what to expect from the business owner, and the business owner knows what to expect from the client. That's why, as cleaning business owners, terms and conditions is crucial. You need to have everything in writing via text. My phone almost fell. Via text or email. Make sure you text and email your clients when it comes to payment or terms and conditions or whatever the situation is. Get everything in writing. Because in a court of law, if anything were to happen, you can't just tell the judge, well, the client said that they would pay me this, and then the client's going to turn around and say, no, I never said it. It's going to be all hearsay. That's why you need everything in writing. Terms and conditions and everything else that's agreed upon in writing via text or email. And then when it comes to theft of service, if a client refuses to pay you for a service that you did provide, and you have proof of it, and you have videos, and you have photos, and you have evidence that you did provide the service, and the client is refusing to pay you for it, you can look at taking legal action. Because they can't just say they don't want to pay you. Now, the client and the service provider need to come to an understanding or an agreement of either the service provider goes back and fixes whatever they did wrong, or cleans up whatever spots they missed, if that's the situation. But if they did the job that was agreed upon, and they have proof that they did the job, and they have proof that they did it correctly, then they need to talk to the client, because that can fall under theft of service. So having very outlined, detailed terms and conditions so that the client knows what to expect and that the business provider knows what to expect is crucial in running a successful business. Hope those help. So if you want any more cleaning business tips, let me know. Comment below. Check out my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all that fun stuff. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.